This SHANY cosmetic set is truly amazing. It comes in a black plastic case with handles here, and it seems like it's just a very simple case, but then watch what happens. You open it up, look at all of those colors for eyeshadow. It's absolutely amazing. Anything you want to put on your eyes. And then you slide out, you have more, you have more, and you have more. You've got lip gloss applicators, and if I can get this, I always have a little problems with this. A mirror with blushes. I honestly don't think that there could be anything that you would want beyond these colors. Even the lip gloss has a very light pink to a dark, more burgundy red here. I like neutrals, I like purple, so that is missing here, but certainly not in the shadows here. Just really, everything is just silky, soft. And again, I just can't imagine wanting anything else. Oops. You can see how that goes on very smoothly. A little bit of the gloss. It needs a little bit more color here. That's very, very light colored. It is a wonderful set. It has not been tested on animals, according to the company, and folds in a very compact box.